Let's see if Natalie's got any better since last time. Oh, Natalie's opened up a massive lead, look at that. Oh. I think she's cheating. She's been down here while I've been sleeping. Look at that. Natalie's well in the lead so far. What's your secret, Nats?
Keep hitting the same thing.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted.
I've pulled it back a wee bit. Look at his score now.
You cheat!
And I'm holding a camera as well. Hey! Oh, that's Natalie now trying to cheat. Get away, Zurg. Try to shoot me. Oh, it scores. We're about halfway through. What are you thinking, Natalie? You're going to call it back?
You've landed
on planet Z. Oh, it's close again.
Attention, rangeur de l'espace. Vous avez atterri sur la planète Z.
Oh, and I'm well in lead now.
Rangeur de l'espace. Vos croiseurs spatiales sont.
Keep hitting the one behind you. Look at the aliens after monkeys.
Please remain seated. Your mission will resume shortly.
Natalie's trying to cheat as the thing stopped in it to let on some disabled people. Look at her. You can't even get it.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be
How do you
restarted.
shoot that? Oh, I'm getting the last wee bit. I'm in the lead. Ah! Oh, get into the speed tunnel. Get him, Buzz, get him. Oh no! cheating beat. It's because I've got a camera, that's what I'm just going to say. Oh, how cool is this? Oh, I'm returning it. You stop firing that thing. Stop cheating while it stopped. Uh-oh. I'm only got a wee bit to make it up.
You've got one more target.
Get a toy.
Yeah!
Oh, Natalie cheated.
Well, we've both got level 3, but
I mean, you've all seen it. As the thing was stopped, Natalie kept shooting.
we're piloting for Planet Fair.
Oh.
One day I'll be at Heroes Galactic.
I'm just about to go on this by myself. Chris doesn't like spinny things, so I'm just doing it alone. See how we get on. We are ready for takeoff. And if we pull this, apparently we go higher. Oh my goodness, here we go. Yay! Oh, we're so high. I think this is the highest we can go. Oh, we're still going. Oh, this is actually quite high. Ah, this is quite high. We've got some planets. Oh, look at the views from up here. There's the castle. Space Mountain. Go down a bit. Oh. And then we can go back up again. This is so much fun. It's quite hard to reach the Doofer because I'm so far back. Oh, it goes quite fast, eh? Oh my goodness. Here we are. Views. It's a Friday morning. It's a bit chilly this morning. It's our last day. We're in extra magic hours. So that's us just finishing. That was fun.
Please remain seated until your rocket has come to a complete stop.
Check the size of these fish. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because of reflection. We'll go down here so you get a wee bit better angle. Look at that.
There's some wedtail boys.
They are. Huge. We're just about to go and explore all the caves in Adventureland.
The exit.
Oh, so this is the exit? Right, so we'll go in this way. Oh, check this out. How cool is that? Just like a sunken boat. Or shipwreck, sorry. These caves are creepy. Although I think this one is just going to be a wee short one compared to the other ones. Somebody sleeping. Shh, don't want to waken them. Didn't look as if there was a lot here, but Bridging's going to bring us out, Natalie. Oh, that's cool. We're underneath the treehouse. Oh, aye. Pretty awesome. This is so cool, man. You'd think that's actual tree trunks or tree roots, sorry. It's like a sort of plastic.
Sit here.
I wonder who it is that's sleeping. Is that supposed to be like the trees are sleeping?
Maybe it's like people upstairs in their beds.
Or a giant. I thought this one was going to be a wee tiny one.
You were wrong.
I was wrong. And we're out. The cave systems here are brilliant. As you can see, they're just everywhere. You just basically go and walk amongst them and get lost. Like it's going to happen to us probably. Aye, we're going to this one. We're just about to head into Ambush Alley.
That little boy's about to ambush.
I know, how boy's going to run in front of us and then ambushes.
Dead man's name.
Okay, so Ambush Alley straight into Dead Man's Maze. Oh, this is a dark one. How cool's the lights on the floor? Oh, this is spooky. I can hardly see where we're going. Look at that skull up there. That's brilliant, isn't it? Oh, creepy dead man. There's people fighting in here, Natalie. Hear them with their swords.
I'm not armed. I don't know if I can deal with it.
You're not armed, so we are screwed. That's a wee cracking place to come up and just have a wee look over the cave. Look at that. The wee guy down there with his chest. All his money, he died with it.
Oh no. He never found his way out the maze.
Too busy looking at the screen.
That's it.
Well, that's that one. Not even been to this bit before. Have I got upstairs? This may be inside the skull, no? I don't think it is, it's outside. Oh, I've not been to this bit before. This is cool. Oh, that's the rope bridge that I was saying to you. So that's literally where we were just a wee minute ago. There's a sunken ship down there. Some pretty cool views up here. Indiana Jones just here in the distance. You don't like it? It's alright. Oh, it's spongy, isn't it? How do you like them apples, Natalie? It's a bit bouncy. Right, on you go. I'm just walking. Well, the wee boy's going to do it, so... This is cool. Natalie's not liking it and everybody's jumping on it. You look like you're drunk. There you go, you're on dry land.
That's hardcore.
You like it?
I feel like the ground's still moving.
We'll get a wee bit up here. It's pretty cool. Just a wee look over. So there's just the bridge that we came across. There's a wee cave we went through just down there. You see there's hundreds of caves here. That's the skull. Obviously the big pirate ship. And we get a castle up there. Let's give you a wee better look at Russell and Carol here. They're brilliant, aren't they? And just behind it is the pizza outpost. Just in amongst all these caves is this cool bit called Skull Rock. Just take you up here. This is the one from the outside. It obviously looks like a skull. Just this is us in the mouth now. You see the teeth? And then we're just in the face. Check out the eyes and the nose. And the mouth just down there where we were. There's some good views up here as well. Ah, you seen that? Natalie's just about to make a wish with the genie. Oh! Imagine Will Smith just popped it.
Not worth it for it. I think my wish will still come true.
It might.